because, you know, I've had some revelations that this is one of the avenues I really need to be consistent with. So we're gonna be consistent here. I promise. I really promise. So the look I'm gonna kind of teach you guys how to do today is a look I did on Instagram. And this look got a lot of questions about how I did it. It's a special effects look, as you can tell. So what we're gonna be doing, I'm kind of take you step by step for how to do it. It's actually really not that difficult. I was shocked. I'm like, if I can do it, y'all can do it too. So for the first step, you're gonna need just a regular eyeliner. Black is what I used because it kind of made the heart pop a little bit more and easy to see. So I'm gonna be using e.l.f.'s black eyeliner, and I'm gonna be drawing a heart over this side of my face. If it's not completely even, that is okay, because it's supposed to look like you cut your face. So nobody's over here cutting hearts perfectly into their face, okay? So that's really okay if it doesn't look super even, okay? Let's get started. So what, you know? Oh, that was just horrible. And again, we tried. Okay, guys, this is our heart, okay? Told you, you know, our heart, you know, is, you know, cool as it's gonna be, you know? But that's okay, because it's gonna look like it's been cut. So that is perfectly fine. But now that we have the heart cut out, the next thing we're gonna do is do our eyes. So I'm gonna do a completely different eye than I did on Instagram. It's gonna be real chill. Just gonna be using the reds and the blacks from the crayon case, from both the Box of Crayons palette, as well as the matte book palette. So, gonna get that done for you guys, and then we'll get started on this fun bad boy right here. So now what you're gonna need is liquid latex. You can get it at Party City, or you can order it online off Amazon. This was like $7, I believe. And then you're gonna need eyelash glue, and you're gonna need some little sponges like this that are angled. The first thing you're gonna do is take a bowl, pour some of the liquid latex in there. That's what it looks like when it comes out. That's how it looks like. Take this side of the little sponge thing, and you're gonna dip it in. Dip it in the latex like that. Outline where the heart is with it, okay? Okay, and then you're gonna let it dry. As you see, this part already kind of dried. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like when it's completely dry. It's gonna be clear. Okay, now we're gonna use the eyelash lip. So in the same bowl, if you wanna just squirt some, and then you're gonna do the exact same thing of just going over where over the heart. Yeah. And then you let that one dry. Do a second layer now. Okay, so it's dry now. These little white little patch things. I don't know what to call it, but they're actually dry. It's just kind of like a buildup of the glue. Now what we're gonna do is do the foundation part. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using Makeup Revolution's foundation in the shade F13. Let's get to cracking. So we're now about to like pretty much do everything like you would normally do your face, okay? So I'm gonna, well, on this side at least, on this side I'm gonna do the contouring and all that good jazz and highlighter. So, and everything is going to be crayon case, okay? So I'm using Glowcaine. I'm using their contours, I can never say it. Contours, whatever, they're the contour notebook, that thing, I can't pronounce it. Chalk Dust in the shade O. Okay, so now's the fun part. We're gonna cut into the heart. It's gonna be great. There we go. Sometimes it's really hard to like break into it, so that may take a minute, okay? Okay, now that our heart is cut, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an angles brush like this. I already kind of started, as you see. And we're gonna take the black from the crayon case and we're gonna kind of just go like in between there to give it that dark effect. The next part is the blood. So one, I'm gonna go put the eyelashes on because we're not gonna be putting blood before we have these eyelashes on. And then I'm gonna take the shirt off because if I get blood, this fake blood on the shirt, I'm gonna be real mad. Two, I probably should put something behind me because when I did this the first time, Jalen got the little spray blood on the wall. So I lied, completely forgot about outlining the heart. Funny me. So we're gonna take the red from the Box of Crayons Palette, and with whatever brush you would like, I'm using this brush that I used earlier. We're just gonna kind of go like this and just make sure the heart stands out. I really can't believe I completely forgot this. I was putting on my eyelash and I was like, "Ooh, girl, we's almost done." Yeah. And I was like, wait a minute, you're completely forgetting something. This is what I'm forgetting. So, you can even put some on the inside. I might do that this time with this one. The first one, I put black on the inside of it. I really didn't like it like that. I may do it a little bit, like on like some little corners, but not as much as like, you know, that's what we're gonna do. See, this is how we just improv. I'm just gonna try and not be like heavy-handed like I am. Yes. Give it that little depth of that. Highlighter. I be forgetting things like this, you know. That Glowcaine on. I love this highlighter, you guys. And in my mind, you know, you can never add too much. Okay, so now for the fun part. Fake stage glue. Fake stage blood. I got this at Party City as well. I believe it was like $6. I'm gonna take a little fine tube little brush thingy like this one. It's gonna look like that. And I take it, I dip it in. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put the blood in between. You know? And if you want it to like look like more like there's more separation, what you could do between it is just pull it down a little bit and then just move it like that. And that's gonna give that effect of like, oh crap, she really cut her face type thing. Like, so now to give it like the blood dripping effect, we're just gonna take this and dip it in however much into this. Put it wherever you want it to go. I'm a little dramatic, so it's about to be all over the place. So if you wanna make it really dramatic, you can too. So before we spray the blood, now this is just an added effect. I like it, I think it's cool, you don't have to do it. But before we do that, we're gonna put on some red lipstick. This is the Rich Ruby from Maybelline. Love it, it looks so good on. So now, the spray blood. Now, as I said, if you're going to use this, I would suggest you have something behind you because when I did it last time, I got it all over the wall. So, don't do that. So this is our gory, bloody, horrifying, but yet beautiful love hurts look. It really looks like I just chopped my face up. It's really wild. So now, I really hope this was helpful for you guys because I know I got a lot of questions about how I did it. So I really hope this was helpful. And if you guys try the look, please tag me on Instagram at Princess J Slay or on Twitter, wherever it is, and let me see how you guys do it. Maybe y'all can get the heart more of a heart. I really hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Comment and let me know what you guys think. Like, share, please share. Let the world see this. Something's wrong, bruh. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.